boss. I'm Martin from Reachtophouse Container House. Today is Sunday. We not work, but there still somebody work here to ensure our delivery time. Now today I will you follow me. I will share our materials. Uh, this is our raw materials. All materials we use galvanized steel. This is our tube. Our tube also use galvanized. It's prevent the rust. It's made by 1 minute RMB machine. Do this. This is our experimental cleaner house mode. It can speed up our production efficiency faster. This is our broken bridge aluminum frame, and this is our UV board to decoration our bathroom. We also can do the apple cabin. This is our detachable container house. This and this one we have already packaged. This is order we will deliver to SA.